The legal charges are now taking shape and the consequences are on the market. Adani stocks bleeding after US court indictment. The big market cap erosion for the Adani Group after we are told about 2.6 lakh crore has been erased. Adani Group stocks are falling in trade, down by about 20%. I want to immediately get in my colleague from Business Today, Sakshi Batra. Sakshi, explain to us what really has happened and how is this being seen as an impact on the whole legal hassles?
Absolutely. So, Pooja, you're right over there. Adani Group stocks are bleeding red right in the morning trade. Just after this news came in, they opened with 10 and 20% down circuits. All the 10 listed stocks of Adani Group are down in the red, with most of them, at least 5 of them, down in lower circuits right now. Across the board, all the 10 listed stocks together cumulatively have lost this 2.6 lakh crore rupees, which means investors have already felt this knee-jerk reaction right in the morning after the US allegations of bribery have actually come in on board. Let's talk about the flagship company, Adani Enterprises. The third lower circuit has been breached just in the morning today. Remember, it's now at a 20% lower circuit. Its market cap has been erased, down 61,000 crore rupees right there. Cumulatively, the group has now come down to a market cap of 11.63 lakh crore rupees, down from 11.91 lakh crores that was seen on the closing of Tuesday night when we had seen the markets shut shop on Tuesday. Adani Ports is now down 20% as well. It's also total market cap is down by about 55,688 crore rupees, and across the board, this is the kind of fall that we are seeing. In fact, it's also tested the 200-week moving average, something that was breached when the Hindenburg crisis had come in. Now, we just need to see whether this will be also breached, and could this be seen as more pain going ahead for all the Adani Group stocks, which will actually further give a lot of pain to all the investors who have been reeling under the market corrective phase over the last 5 weeks. And this new news that's come in is definitely a bigger dampener coming in. If this were to escalate beyond today as well, the portfolios which have already been reeling under the market correction phase will further bleed blue. So the investors are in for some more pain.
Sakshi, tell me about which sector specifically, if you can help explain, have suffered because of the news that has come in.
So you see, Pooja, Adani Group is a big conglomerate. It has various companies in various sectors. Adani Enterprises is a flagship. Look at the Adani Port stock, which is its flagship company within the ports and the infra space, the largest by market cap that we have. Something which no other company also boasts of in the ports industry right here, because Adani Group is exposed to both the eastern as the western coast of India in terms of the massive port capabilities that it has and the infra that it has. That has dropped about 20%. Look at the renewable energy spaces stocks. Adani Green Energy, Adani Energy Solutions, they have been battered black and blue as well. Look at the cement makers as well. The recently acquired ACC and Ambuja stocks, both of them are down over 10% in today as well. So look at the variety of stocks that have actually been under pain. Even the FMCG company of Adani Group, that is Adani Wilmar, that is also under pressure. Adani Power, which has been a leading phase in the power space that we saw in the initial part of 2024, that's suffering as well. So it's across the board. And what we are also given to understand, Pooja, you would remember when we were talking about Trump victory, it was Gautam Adani to first put out a tweet and say that we are very happy with Trump's coming back. I have promised $10 billion of expansion in the US markets. 15,000 jobs is what I'm going to create with massive investments that are planned in the infra space in the US. Now, all of that will be under question because it is the US SEC which has put on these charges as well. Of course, most of the experts right now are saying this is not the time for investors
Very important point, Sakshi. In fact, I was also looking at one of the statements that Gautam Adani had put barely hours after that victory came in, and calling Trump as one person on earth who stands as the embodiment of unbreakable tenacity and grit, praising him, appreciating him. So could there be a political showdown also coming in here? There's a lot of uncertainty right now with the change of government. Sakshi, keep tracking all the latest on that.